Solve by graphing. If there is no solution or an infinite number of solutions, state this. The system we're solving is y equals negative 2x plus 5 and y equals 4x minus 1. To solve by graphing, we graph each of these lines separately. In the first line, y equals negative 2x plus 5, we have a slope of negative 2 and a y-intercept of 5. So we graph the y-intercept, count off a slope of negative 2, it's down 2 and over 1, down 2 and over 1, and we graph that line. And then we also graph y equals 4x minus 1. That has a y-intercept of negative 1 and a slope of 4. So we count off a slope of 4, up 4, over 1, up 4 and over 1. Goes off my graph, so I'll just use these 2 points and graph that line. Now you'll notice that the lines intersect. That is the important point. The point of intersection should give us the system. Looking at the graph, it looks like it's the point 1, 3. But when we make a graph, it's really hard to be exact, so we better check to see if that is the solution. To check, we substitute 1, 3 in both of these equations. In the first one, if x is 1, we have negative 2 times 1, which is negative 2, plus 5, which is 3. So it checks in the first equation. In the second equation, if x is 1, we have 4 times 1, which is 4, minus 1, which is also 3. Since this checks in both of these equations and makes both equations true, it is the solution of the system. So your answer would be that ordered pair, 1, 3.